Hello, Dave here. I'm in Oxbridge Cemetery. It's in Stockton-on-Tees, and it's just a wonderful little church building that really, I don't really see the point and the purpose of it. I've just had a look at one on Durham Road Cemetery. Trying to find out when it was built is proving pretty difficult. And I would think it'll be the same with this one. But this has all of the features that I talk about in churches. You have your skirting board laid there. And you have your air vents, which is usually ventilation for lower levels. But I know very little about the history of this place. But what I have noticed on this one, if we just zoom out a bit, is the main windows. You can't see much of them, they're boarded up. But when you go a bit closer, there's some pretty impressive dudes up there, if it's going to focus in, is it? Focusing very well on that one. Move across to her and see what she's like. Not very well at all, the focus. Ah, there we go. There we go, that's better. It is a new camera I'm trying out, so please bear with me. There's that nice little chap there. What usually happens, whenever I come out doing videos, it pisses down. And I think that's what's going to happen here. But just have a little look at it. The one on Durham Road, get out of the car. The one on Durham Road, the cemetery there, it's two branches, two buildings. One that side, archway, identical one this side. In Durham Road, they say it was because one side was for Catholics and one side was for Protestants. Now, as to whether that is true or not, or just another, inserted story into our history books, I don't know. But the thing that gets me with this building, you have your antenna there at the top. Don't know how this is going to turn out in the video, colour wise, but that is surplus to requirements. It's a piddling little building, doesn't need lightning conductors. It's not lightning conductor, that's why. This archway, as you can see, we can't go through. But again, we have some really impressive heads up here. Little things like this, it's impossible to find anything about. I haven't researched this church yet, but I bet you I have the same problem as what I've had in the past. The actual proof of this being built, when it was built, is hard to come by. Right, I'll try this side before the battery runs out. See if we can get these little fellas in. All very strange, because this isn't a church as such, weekly congregations. It was just connected to the burials here, I do believe, and the service before the burials. I think we managed to get that one, that one in, and then my battery's going to run out, so I'll just have to say bye bye for now on this one. Oxbridge Cemetery.